I'm sure you've heard the buzz about zero-point energy, movies, comics, even conspiracy theories. But what's the real story? Let's break it down. In quantum physics, even a perfect vacuum isn't truly empty. Tiny particles flicker in and out of existence, creating what's called zero-point energy, the lowest energy state possible. It sounds wild, but it's real science. This energy has been measured in labs, and it even explains why atoms don't collapse. But here's where fact meets fiction. Pop culture loves to hype zero-point energy as the answer to unlimited power. Think Marvel movies or sci-fi gadgets. In reality, tapping into this energy for practical use is way beyond our current tech. The laws of physics don't make it easy to extract. So, while zero-point energy is a mind-blowing part of our universe, don't expect it to power your car anytime soon. Science is still working on it. If you want more science explained simply, hit subscribe and stay curious.